YouTube, what's up? Today we're going to talk about smoothies. I'm going to make one of them and talk about another variation that I like to do. But we're going to make the banana chocolate peanut butter variation right now. So, first I start with my liquid that I'm going to use. I usually use almond milk. You can use cashew, you could use water, you can use basically anything you want. I like almond or cashew milk because I like the taste. I like it better than regular milk, and it basically has no calories, so that is why I use almond milk. I use vanilla unsweetened 99% of the time when I make my smoothies. Okay, second ingredient is the protein powder. You can use whatever protein powder you want. I have vanilla protein powder today. I'm going to throw the macros on the screen right here for the whole smoothie. Actually, I'll do it after I make it. But yeah, so we have protein powder. Any one you want, it's your choice. Next, this is basically optional, but I like to use, I actually just started doing this, cocoa powder. So I do about a big tablespoon of that, and I put that right in. Basically no calories, and has some caffeine in it as well. Just a little bit of caffeine. Next, this is also your choice, but I use powdered peanut butter in this variation of the smoothie. Way less calories than regular peanut butter. So if you're trying to gain some size, gain some weight, then I would opt for just like regular peanut butter instead of the powdered stuff. So I put this in, about that much. That's done. What else? What else did I forget? Banana. Okay, so banana in the smoothie adds very nice texture and taste. So I add a banana there. Boom. All right, last ingredient, ice. The more ice you use, the thicker the smoothie is going to be. So I find that around 4 or 5 ice cubes is perfect. I just kind of go by feel. I think that's good. Yeah. And actually, today I'm going to mix it up. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder because I'm feeling dangerous. Okay. So, now we're going to blend it. Alright, that's the smoothie. I'm going to go grab a glass. So here, as you can see, the texture. It's like really creamy because of the banana. Very good. All right, before I eat this, I'm going to talk about my other variation of the smoothie that might be better for fat loss. Okay, so the berry variation of the smoothie is going to be higher in fiber and lower in calories than the banana variation. The reason is because berries have less calories than bananas. Also, they're higher in fiber, so they're going to keep you full longer. Fiber is going to slow down the digestive system, so you're going to be fuller longer with the berry variation. So if you're going for more of a fat loss phase, then I would opt for the berry variation of the smoothie more often. Capitano.Fitness.com for coaching. Yeah, that's it. Have a great day and enjoy the smoothie. Bye.